bringing awareness is the key, is the master key to understand emotional self-regulation, and to also understand about our mind, our heart and our body, about the mental, the emotional and the physical. So when we bring in awareness, we're aware what we're feeling, sensing in the body. So once we can start having an awareness, what do I sense in the body? On a felt sense, what are the physical sensations? What am I sensing? This is bringing awareness to the body. Also bringing in, what am I aware of? How I'm feeling right now. What emotion is there? I can say I'm feeling relaxed, but how does relaxation feel in the body, and what type of space it gives emotionally? There's a more openness in me when I'm feeling relaxed or when I'm content. And then bringing awareness to, what am I thinking? What are the thoughts that are often? There's thoughts come in patterns. So we start to become aware of what patterns of thoughts, what's the content that's always happening in the mind, but becoming aware of when we're overthinking. We overthink a lot. So when we're too much overthinking, it's coming back into what I'm feeling and what's happening in my body. So always come back to the body. Body is in the present. Body's not yesterday or tomorrow. Body is here now with the breathing. This will support you to come into regulation.